The Giggle Prescription. Laughter is the best medicine. Go ahead, grin, or better yet, laugh out loud. Laughter is an important part of a healthy life, according to Lee Burke, assistant professor of family medicine at the University of California. Just thinking about a silly video you're going to watch can reduce feelings of tension, anger, and sadness, says Burke. Burke and other researchers have done studies to confirm that laughing spells keep your body and mind healthy. In fact, Burke says laughter is an instant vacation. Laughing for a few seconds may give you the same workout as a minute of aerobic exercise by increasing the activity of the heart and stimulating circulation. A good case of the giggles massages not only the heart, but also the lungs, muscles, and digestive system. This increased physical activity, coupled with the feel-good mental benefits of having a good laugh, may have life-saving effects. According to studies done by doctors at the University of Maryland Medical Center in Baltimore, people with heart disease were 40% less likely to laugh in a variety of situations compared with people of the same age without heart disease. This may mean, researchers say, that laughing can have something to do with helping to keep your heart healthy. Doctors are not sure exactly how laughter helps prevent heart disease, but they do know that mental stress causes physical changes that damage the lining of the blood vessels, which can cause them to swell. At these sites of swelling, fat and cholesterol often build up, which can cause heart attacks. And because laughter can reduce mental stress, it may actually protect you against a heart attack. Laughing prevents disease and eases pain. Part of laughter's benefit is its positive effect on the immune system, which is the system that helps the body fight disease. Laughter helps your body stop the release of a hormone that weakens the immune system. Laughter also boosts your body's production of certain cells and proteins that fight infection and disease. Hospitals and nursing facilities have learned to utilize another of laughter's great benefits. Doctors learned that if a patient is in pain, a good laugh can help. Fits of laughter boost chemicals in the brain that control pain. Your ability to withstand pain is raised during laughter and for a short time after you laugh. For this reason, many hospitals use laughter programs, including clowns and other performing artists, as part of their patients' treatment. But maybe kids already know that laughing makes them feel good. Studies show that young people laugh many more times a day than older people. Just try to keep your ability to laugh as you get older, and remember to be silly. It's good for you. The dam is just a phase one. We'll be adding a clubhouse by the lake and an 18-hole championship golf course. For a long and healthful life, eat right, get plenty of sleep, and laugh as often as you can. Don't just wait for funny things to happen. Plan for humor in your life. Watch funny movies with other people if possible. Laughing is contagious. Create a humor journal. Record some of the funny things that happen to you when you talk about your day with your family or friends. Find the humorous moments in it. Observe young children. They do and say a lot of funny things. Collect funny cartoons. Post some around your room. Read joke books or funny stories. Visit a zoo and watch the monkeys. Spend time with people who have a good sense of humor. Play charades using only funny titles.